I am Bharti. Welcome to the EduBulletin, the online news platform for all the latest educational updates. Let's see the highlights of the day. Maharashtra government schools to adopt the CBSE education pattern starting from the 2025 to 26 academic year, with Marathi textbooks to be made available by 1st April, following steering committee approval and in alignment with the NEP. Karnataka to face a shutdown tomorrow as Kannada Okkuta protests an alleged assault on a state-run bus conductor for not knowing Marathi, leading to Bangalore school closures, while the government declines support. The Unstopped Talent Report 2025 reveals that 83% of engineering and 46% of business graduates remain jobless or without internships, even as employers prioritize skills over degrees. Meanwhile, Gen Z professionals are increasingly turning to freelancing, seeking frequent feedback, and experiencing disconnect with recruiters during hiring assessments. According to the Directorate of Education, 1,307 children with special needs have been selected in the first draw of lots for admission to Delhi private schools and must report to their allotted schools by 26 May. Rocket Learning has launched Appu, a multilingual, personalized, and conversational learning platform for children aged 3 to 6, starting with Hindi and expanding to 20 languages, including Marathi and Punjabi. The platform was developed in just 6 months with support from Google.org. Ministry of External Affairs reports 77 violent attacks on Indian students abroad in the last 5 years, with Germany and Canada witnessing the highest number of incidents. Punjab government plans to ban energy drinks with high caffeine concentrations in schools and issue advisories for colleges across the state, following WHO guidelines that discourage their consumption by individuals under 18. NCERT Class 3 Hindi textbook Veena 1 to feature a new chapter titled Varanasi Ki Yatra for Uttar Pradesh students. Starting from the 2025 to 26 academic session, offering an immersive cultural and educational journey into the rich heritage and significance of Varanasi. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the EduBulletin. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.